Today I'll be showing you how to make the Monte Cristo sandwich that is similar to the one found at Blue Bayou Restaurant or Cafe Orleans at Disneyland Resort. First off, we will start with the batter. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 egg and 1 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of water. Whisk that together until combined. Add 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk that thoroughly until completely smooth. I got this recipe today from the cookbook by Delish called Delish Loves Disney. I will leave a link to the cookbook down in the description. Once this is combined, set it aside and get ready to make the sandwiches. Arrange 8 slices of bread, topping 1/2 with turkey, ham, cheese, and the top of the sandwich. An egg bread or a brioche works well for this, and typically the cheese is Swiss, but use any you prefer. Cut each of the 4 sandwiches in half diagonally. And now it's time to fry. In a deep pot, bring 3 cups of canola oil to around 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Dredge the sandwich half in the batter. Allow any excess to drip off, and carefully transfer the battered sandwich half into the oil. Fry the sandwich until golden brown on each side, about 5 minutes per side, flipping between each one. Once finished, carefully remove and place on a wire rack or paper towel to dry. Dust the halves with powdered sugar until it starts to feel like Christmas. Repeat these steps with the remaining sandwich halves. I must have been holding on to these sandwich halves pretty tight because you can see my finger marks on several of the halves. My wife and I tried this sandwich on our first visit to Disneyland a few years ago, and it was quite a great experience. This recipe helped bring just a little bit of the magic from Disneyland back to home. Serve the sandwiches with some form of fruit preserves. If you wanted to match more like Disneyland does, that would be blackberry preserves. This sandwich is definitely a special treat, not a sandwich for every day. It's kind of like a jelly-filled donut topped with powdered sugar, except instead of being filled with jelly, it's filled with cheese and meat, and then dipped into the jelly that would have filled it. It's wonderful. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.
Mm.